Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Vagabond Inn Sylmar. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. This motel is 12 miles from Six Flags Magic Mountain theme park in Sylmar, California. All rooms include cable TV with extended channels and free Wi-Fi. Laundry facilities is located on site. Each air-conditioned room at Vagabond Inn Sylmar features a private bathroom. All rooms boast vibrant decor and light wood furnishings. Around-the-clock reception is offered at Vagabond Inn Sylmar. Fax and photocopying services are available. Vending machines featuring snacks and drinks are located on site. Universal Studios Hollywood is 15 miles from this motel. Dodger Stadium, home of the Los Angeles Dodgers Major League Baseball team, is 30 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.